We're here today with Vicente with Aerie Pharmaceuticals at OIS. Here
Sure.
at ASRS.
How are you?
Thank
Great
you.
to see you
Great
again.
to see you. And I wonder if you could share some updates with us in terms of the glaucoma field, first of all, before we delve into the retina or the presentation that was given today.
Sure, be happy to do that. So, as you know, our company has for many years stated that we want to become the next major ophthalmic pharmaceutical company. And initially, we're doing it on the backs of two products, Retina, which, thank God, we just launched about 3 or 4 months ago for the treatment of glaucoma. It's the first once-a-day product that actually treats trabecular meshwork, the underlying cause of the disease. And in the marketplace, it's doing great. Far better efficacy than expected, given the clinical trial results, and a safety profile as well within the tolerance stage. So we're excited about the prospects there. In addition to that, at the end of April of this year, we actually filed the NDA for Rocklatan, which is a combination of Retina along with latanoprost. Well, we should know here any day now from the FDA, we'll get what's called a Day 74 letter, in which they'll tell us how quickly they're going to review Rocklatan file and our PDUFA date. Now, we fully expect that everything's going to go okay in that letter, and that we should get that approval sometime in March of next year. And so about this time next year, we'll actually have 2 products on the market. And so, because we've done this before, we knew that we better get going on our pipeline and building that. And so here at the OIS Retina meeting, we actually unveiled a lot of new data on our 2 pipeline products for Retina. First one is AR-13503, which is a protein kinase C inhibitor, the treatment of wet AMD and diabetic macular edema. Now, that's a whole new class of drugs. It's not an anti-VEGF. Doesn't come anywhere close to that pathway. And that's why we're so excited about it. We've done an awful lot of work already, and in all of our animal work, we showed that we're as good as Eylea in decreasing the lesions that we induce in mice and in various trials. And when we use it adjunctively with Eylea, we get outrageously good results, much better than with Eylea alone. And so that's why we're moving that into the clinic as quickly as we can. We think we'll be in humans sometime around spring of next year. In addition to that, we also have, and by the way, it's a small molecule. So we're using technology that we actually acquired about a year or so ago from Envisia to actually develop a small insert where we take a polymer along with our drug, we can insert it into the back of the eye, and it elutes the drug out over 6 months. So with 1 injection in the last 6 months. Now, likewise, our second drug is a steroid for the treatment of diabetic macular edema. Again, using the same technology, we can encase the drug in polymer. We take that polymer and make these tiny little rods that we can inject, and that alone lasts for 6 months as well. And so that'll go into the clinic at the beginning of next year. So we have 2 shots on goal in Retina. We continue to build our pipeline accordingly. We're looking at other technologies and other companies, etc. We're very, very excited about the prospects, not only of Retina and Rocklatan, but also our pipeline.
So it sounds like we'll have some interesting updates next year at this meeting.
Well, if we can do it sooner, we will. Yes.
That's it. Thank you.